Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use VHS Glitch Action. First of all, make sure that you are using the English version of Photoshop. Now make sure that your image has an RGB format of 8 bits. The next step is go to the Layers tab, Panel Options. Make sure that you have all 3 items in the bottom of the window. Also, for the correct work of the action, we need a free font, VCR OSD Mono. Before using the action file, we need to load the necessary patterns into Photoshop. To do this, go to the Edit, Presets, Preset Manager menu. Select preset type Patterns, press Load and select VHS Patterns. Now go to the Layers panel, right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. It is also necessary to change the name of the layer to Image. Now load the action. Go to the window, Actions, click the icon in the upper right corner of the panel, select Load Actions and load the VHS Glitch Action. You will see two versions of the action, 4000 and 2000. The 2000 version is suitable for medium-sized images about 2000 pixels wide. Version 4000 works best for large images about 4000 pixels wide. Our picture has a width of 2592 pixels, so choose the version 2000 and run our action. We wait until it processes the image, about 15-20 seconds. Done. On the Layers panel you can see a lot of grouped layers. Let's minimize them for greater visibility. The two upper groups are OSD text, you can edit it. Let's change the year for an example and remove distortions. Open the Text Bottom Smart Object in the Text Bottom group. This is just a simple text layer. Change the year for 1992. OK, save and close the file. You see that the year has been renewed. The same actions, if necessary, we do with the Text Bottom Repeat Smart Object. To remove distortion, you need to hide the Wave Smart Filter from all layers of the Text Bottom group. OK, done. The top text can be changed in the same way. In addition, you can move the groups as you like. Just hold down the Ctrl or Command key and drag the group to the desired area of the image. Next, we have the Interference group. These are colored interference bars. You can choose any of the 3 options, or choose 3 at a time, and also remove them completely, hiding the entire group. The next layer is Stripes. This is a line scan effect. Then comes Vibrance. This layer helps to remove or add color to the image. The next, Noise. You can change the intensity of noise or remove it completely. The group of layers Coloring adds to the image usual for all video parasitic shades. You can combine or disable it. The Offset group adds a bifurcation effect to the image. The Channels Offset group adds a small offset to the red and blue channels, thereby achieving a realistic VHS effect. And finally, the Distortion layer places distortions on our image. If the distortion eventually spoils important parts of the image, you can always remove it from the desired areas with the help of a black brush and layer mask, just like this. I hope this section will be useful. Good luck. Thanks for watching.